Hi, I'm Rick Lewag, and I want to tell you about a new training series that I'll be conducting called the Obamacare Bootcamp. Now that it's clear that the Patient Protection and Affordable Health Care Act, or more commonly known as Obamacare, won't be repealed anytime soon, individuals, seniors, and business owners are beginning to search for answers on how the new bill affects them directly. Now, Obamacare is the most sweeping piece of legislation passed by our Congress in more than 50 years. It affects every American and every facet of the American economy, which means it's going to impact every one of your clients. Now, if you're an insurance agent, a CPA, a certified financial planner, or an attorney, you can expect your clients to start asking you to explain to them what the bill requires them to do, and more importantly, what they should do. There are a lot of moving parts about Obamacare and even more misconceptions about what's actually going to happen. It's confusing, and that's done deliberately. The good news is you don't need to know every fact of the bill to be informed enough to advise your clients. In this boot camp, I highlight the key points of the bill that pertain to and affect your clients the most. Then I put those key points into concise, easy to understand language that will make it easy for you to explain to your clients. Finally, I outline and lay out practical, common sense strategies and solutions that I'm recommending to my clients, which you can recommend to yours. I'll show you why seniors who are covered by Medicare are the ones most negatively impacted by the bill. More specifically, how the Obamacare Medicare cuts will affect them. You'll learn what the dreaded Independent Patient Advisory Board is and why it will impact your senior clients more than any other agency in our government. I'll explain the individual mandate in detail and how it impacts your individual and family clients, showing you what the estimated cost will be to have health insurance and what the penalties will be if your clients choose to opt out. I also cover in detail what the law requires of your business clients. I'll show you what the estimated costs are going to be for those businesses who decide to provide coverage for their employees and what the penalties will be for those who decide not to comply with the law. You'll also find out why I think the group health insurance business will be pretty much wiped out by Obamacare, regardless of what the insurance companies or your FMO or IMO has been telling you. The Affordable Health Care Act is a health reform bill more than it's a tax bill. And it's because of this, the most costly provisions to individuals and businesses have to do with health insurance compliance. Now, although it does contain individual tax increases, those primarily impact higher income earners. The highest cost of purchasing health insurance coverage by individuals and families or by employers for employees, or the failure to comply with the mandate to do so, that's where the most financial exposure is. Now, to illustrate this, in 2014, a business owner with 50 employees and a personal income of $250,000, they'll have a personal tax increase of about $6,000 or less due to the new personal taxes imposed by Obamacare. But the cost to comply with the mandate to provide health insurance to their employees would cost $400,000 or more, and the penalty not to comply would be $40,000 or more. And those numbers are far worse for businesses who employ larger number of full-time employees than just those 50. Therefore, to fully comprehend the impact on individuals, families, and businesses, and to be able to provide the best advice to your clients, this law has to be viewed, broken down, and strategies executed from a health insurance perspective more than from a tax perspective. And that's what I do in the Obamacare Bootcamp. Now, regardless of your area of expertise, whether it's insurance, taxes, or law, the Obamacare Bootcamp will give you the information and tools to provide comprehensive Obamacare advice with confidence from knowing that you're prepared and informed. This training will make you the expert and separate you from every other financial services professional who has not, but more importantly, will not do their homework. The boot camp is broken down into 4 online video lessons which you can go through when and wherever it's convenient for you. In the 4 lessons, you'll learn how Obamacare affects both the health insurance and the healthcare industries, and how that directly affects your individual, business, and senior clients. You'll learn practical strategies that you can recommend to your individual and business clients, which can minimize their cost and exposure, but continue to have access to medical care and remain compliant with the law. You'll learn what to advise your senior clients to do. You'll learn about supplemental and ancillary products and services that will be essential after 1/1/2014. You'll learn how to be asked to speak to organizations like the Rotaries, Kiwanis, Lions Clubs about Obamacare. You'll learn how to get businesses to pay you $500 or more for an Obamacare strategic plan. I'll teach you how to partner with CPAs, attorneys, insurance agents, and other professionals to cross-refer. You'll also receive the Obamacare Bootcamp Handbook, which includes all the lessons, along with other tools that you can use for marketing and presentations, and references to other sources that you can use to stay current with all the changes that will most certainly occur over the next few years. So basically what I've done is taken what would normally take you months of research to compile and go through, and I've filtered through all the minutiae, extracted out exactly what pertains to most of our clients, and then condensed it into an easy to understand and follow online video training, making it very easy for you. So sign up now, get started on the training immediately, and then start educating your clients and prospects before someone else gives them the wrong answers and bad advice. Take care, and I hope to see you at the boot camp.